Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, today you might be seeing a new game. So this is called Beach Buggy Racing. So some people might know it, some people might not know it. So this is a race type of game where it's a competitive race where you have many abilities, where you could eliminate players and then they will respawn and you have to race. Okay, so clearly we have events. Okay, we have a team. Let me just finish this. We have a team. Yes, this is my car. Do not worry, this is not OP like my Free Fire. So yes, we could change our drivers to many other drivers. Okay, and then we could even change our car. Some cars are for money, and some cars are for diamonds. Yes, you can see on my top right screen, you can see 74 diamonds and 335 coins. I don't know what it's called in this game currency, but yes. And yes, you can change your body shop, you can change the paint, wheels and everything else. Okay, so now let's play a race. I know you're waiting. So yeah, here on your left side there's a blue color mailbox thing for check back later for free stuff. So that's a mailbox where you get many good items. Yeah, and this is the I don't know. This is I forgot the name. It's a star TP or something. Anyways, let's play a race. Okay, so we get a preview of the game. This is my car and they are players. There are two laps. And you see this ball is so now the ability which I have is I think a bat which it goes only to the first player. So see, I bombarded the player. Okay, so everybody gets in separate thing. I am currently 4. Now my ability is to confuse people. So when I launch this, look at how many people I confuse. Okay, so I'm getting another ability called the Lucky Secret. So I'm in first place, so I cannot use it. Otherwise it goes. And yeah, I got another ability called a shield. See, I have a TNT on me. So anybody, oh no, see, he hit me, right? So see, now I can use my ability. See, I crashed him. Okay, now the TNT which you saw over there, when you place it to a car or something else, you see, look at that. That's another thing. Sorry for this stammering. Oh my god, out of one. Okay, so the final lap, and yeah, the TNT one, once you place it on a car, and if you ram that car, it explodes. Okay, I need a ball. Yes, we get some pop. Oh no. What? Try to there's a chicken which comes on the screen. So wait, let me put on register and yeah, chicken. Okay, so we're in the last lap on the 4th of the 6th place. Oh, we got 4. No problem. Okay, we are back. Let's play another one. Okay, Beach Buggy Racing 2. Another preview of the map. Okay, so we are back over here. Don't worry, this time I'm not going to disappoint you guys. Okay, let's go. Sound bad. Oh my god, look at how many people I have. Ram into one of these, yeah, you do not get anything. Thanks lift off. See, when I ran into this, see, I got nothing. Oh no, somebody bombarded me. Do not worry, I have special missiles. Trust me, guys. Okay. Oh, I took a side. Otherwise, it's not bothering me. Oh, nitro. This is this. I got the place. Yes, we got first place. Amazing. Excellent. I hit everything else also. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Please like, share, and subscribe.